Where are we going, bro?
I'm going to Tampa.
Why am I going to Tampa, bro?
I have no clue. You're just coming.
I'm in Tampa. What the fuck? Whole ass train in the fucking. Why is there a train right here?
Bro, like when I say this is the best airport ever, like people only been to a couple airports. I've been to airports all around the world.
Because you was in the military, right?
Yeah, best airport.
How are we like on a train right now?
Tampa.
So I'm gonna give Bossy a call. I was here by myself. Where the fuck would I go? Like in this airport. This airport looks scary. And the train only goes to the airport. Like it don't go outside the airport.
Yeah, there's no rush, bro. There's no rush.
Bro, there's also another option. We could drop off the SD card because your boy in Tampa with Jordan.
Yeah, this dude's a wacko.
There was a layover to go to Texas in Florida. I was like, what the hell? What am I gonna do? Might as well go to Tampa.
Jordan, where you gonna take him?
Honestly, I don't even know.
Did you guys eat?
The warehouse sounded like a good idea. I probably had to take him out to eat too. He said to me if I wanted to go to the
Cafe.
The cafe house or the coffee house that finds like edits that and stuff like that, so we can get some work done. I really don't know though. If you want to give me ideas, let me know.
Can't believe I'm here. I literally called this. I said, I'm gonna book my hotel for the CT Barber Expo. After that, we go with the flow. And where'd the flow go? Jordan.
Tampa.
Where'd the flow go?
Tampa. As long as you let me get back.
Do you have any recommendations?
Yeah,
Food.
chimichanga.
Oh shit.
It's very good.
Chimichangas?
It's like a chicken chimichanga.
Chicken.
All right?
Okay,
All right, you got
I'll
it.
think about it.
You got a lot to think about. I got a lot to think about. I don't even know.
I'll be back, all right?
Okay.
Yes, please. So sorry.
What's a chimichanga?
Side potatoes,
You got some potatoes? Wow.
right? Bitter taco hash.
I got the same one.
All right, she has the other one.
Awesome. Thanks. And then we have the
It'll be out shortly.
the pancakes, right? All right. Awesome. Thank you.
I didn't know I was a dancer.
Bro, you have like 103 jobs.
Yeah.
Your resume gotta be long as shit.
I don't have a resume.
You might be the only person with a resume longer than Dave's. Dave's had like 23 jobs in his life. You have a lot of experience. You have stories to tell, and you have like 103 jobs. So, I mean, like you.
This is everybody.
Hello.
Hi everybody.
Mucho gusto.
So what's her job?
She ships retail mostly.
Oh, nice.
So she mostly pick packs and ships retail, and then she interacts with customer service. We got some other things going on.
Oh, because you with the machines probably like China.
Am I a vlogger now? Am I a YouTube vlogger?
I consider so the motorcycle parts do really well, and like it's not just the motorcycle parts, but like this is part of knobs here. So these are intercooler pipes. This is my fly ride. I've got it torn down right now because there's a sensor. There's a problem with it. Hopefully it'll be ready by the time we get back from Orlando premiere. But if not, we have other attachments. We just fly the other shit.
What is this, like a powder coated? Or
It's Linex, but it's really
almost
cool.
like for the ceiling thing?
This is actually rhino lining, because rhino lining you can shoot flat. So you see how it's flat on this side, and then textured, which is
That's sick.
yeah. So they come like this, and we then box them. Unless it's retail. If it's a retail order, we just ship it like that without being boxed.
Oh, really? And then
Yeah.
they box it themselves?
Yeah.
Best out of 5. One. Two.
Oh, no, I need to go. I need to go.
Best out of 5. Okay.
I gotta take a shot. I gotta take a couple shots. If we're gonna be shooting. I thought we were just.
Is it windy in here?
Go ahead.
This is Jackass number 5. We're with Danny, and this is called So I'm driving the Tesla to his house and to the lake. It's a lake, river.
Lake, we're gonna go on my lake. Actually, we'll do this.
My home.
I won't even need to drive then.
Oh, you wanted to actually drive? Yeah, no, that's dumb. All right, let's go.
First time driving in America. What's in miles? Holy shit!
Alright, let go. Let go.
This is my dream car I'm driving. Oh, I guess we're in America, guys. I came here to do some shit I don't do in Canada.
Hold on. So you just drive through.
Holy shit! Where the fuck are we, bro? Now we're really seeing Tampa. Holy shit. And we're going paraboarding, whatever you call the things with the legs. Swimming. We're gonna be flying in the water. That's what you call it. We landed in Dallas. I literally took one nap and we're here. But we're here for Bazio's class. It's not till tomorrow. I know what we're doing. Bitches go. They sell alcohol in here?
They should.
What?
Why not?
They don't just sell alcohol like that. It's just open like this. Anyone can buy it.
Is
My
this
fault.
shocking to you?
Yeah?
What, 6?
Usually, you need to show your ID even before you look at the alcohol.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Look, they got ice cream and alcohol in the same aisle. What? In Canada, we sell weed like that.
Yeah, there's a lot of dispensaries here.
Oh, really? Oh, shit. They legal?
The first dispensary, we had the first recreational dispensary. We had it before Canada. Washington was first, I think, then Oregon, then Colorado.
Rice Krispie? I think they banned that shit in Canada. Or
What they don't
Twinkies.
got in Canada?
Twinkies. They banned it. It was too
They
sweet.
banned Twinkies in Canada.
Yep.
Are you guys like children? They don't know that you guys are grown adults and you can make your own decisions.
They don't want to give you a bad decision.
A grown man. Okay.
Why do they tax cigarettes?
Yeah, but doesn't mean that they ban it.
True. That's true. Just make it harder.
Just make it hard. Tax the Twinkies. And honestly, here they try not to tax to keep people from doing something. They tax people to incentivize.
Oh, God.
So if you eat health, so they would do it more so like if you eat healthy, you pay less taxes.
That's sick. Yo, can I have some floss later?
Do they sell floss in Canada? Editing videos. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2 1 2. So this is what I mean by the things that you love can be your why as well. Helping others is a refreshing reminder to be grateful. There's something super fulfilling. Like I've never been able to like put my finger on it, but like I just feel the ultimate fulfillment by just being selfless and helping people.